Romans, the 5th chapter and the 10th verse says, "For if when we were enemies, we were reconciled to God through the death of his Son, much more having been reconciled, we shall be saved by his life." When you meditate, think of such scriptures as 2 Corinthians, the 5th chapter and the 19th verse. It says, "God was in Christ reconciling the world to himself, not counting people's sins against them, but canceling them. And he has committed to us the message of reconciliation." That is restoration of favor with God. That's good news. Reconciliation is the end of the loss of relationship that was caused by original sin between God and humanity. And for that reason, a believer can be a new creation in Christ through reconciliation. Jesus Christ has restored us into unity, harmony, and agreement from being alienated from God. Believers experience a renewal of relationship with God, whereby we call him our Father. Not only are we reconciled to God, but we can now experience reconciliation with one another. Remember Matthew's the 5th chapter and the 24th verse. It says, "Go and be reconciled to your brother. Then come and offer your gift." Kingdom woman, our word for this week is reconciliation. This week, let's commit to walking in peace and offering forgiveness to others. God bless you.